Hello and welcome to another one of our product review and unboxing videos. So today we're going to be reviewing a orbital sander made by Dewalt. The model number is DWE6423. It's a 280 watt sander. These are the specs. It takes Velcro sanding discs.
125 mil.
It was purchased from Amazon.
Okay.
You can get it from elsewhere, can't you? But it's a bit cheaper on Amazon. That's why we bought it from there.
Yeah, it was. Yeah. Okay. So, box is opened. Instruction manual. Something else there. Sander. Dust bag, collect dust. We'll put that on in a minute. And somewhere, I know we had it.
It's on top of that box there.
Came as a single disc in a pad, so we've lost that for a moment.
It's probably in here.
Yeah,
It came with a sanding disc.
Single disc,
Yeah.
not a pack of discs, just one disc.
Single disc, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Bought it from Amazon, and I think after the model number on Amazon it says QS. The listing says European model. Check the listing, because if you're buying a European model, it will come with that on the end. Yeah. So you've got two options. You ordered it in error, send it back.
It had German writing on the listing.
Yeah.
So.
Or just swap it to a normal UK plug. That's
Which is
what we've done.
basically what we've done. So.
Right, makes life nice and easy. Okay. So this is to collect the dust, sanding dust.
So the flex is rubber, so it's good quality flex. Let's look at the actual sander itself in a second.
Okay, so let's just go through that again. This is for collecting the dust when you sand, if you want to put it on. You can put a vacuum on here as well, a lot of people do. Clicks on and off switch there. We'll try it in a minute. And variable speed there, which is good, so you can have it going fast or slow. That's basically it. It's comfortable enough. Right, so I bought some discs, bought a couple of types. These are all 150. What are we going to in here? 80. You tend to find that they, just trying to show people something that they, the lower the number, so this is P220, P80, the coarser the sandpaper, the disc. Yeah, so if you want, so you can work your way down and get a nice smooth finish. See how coarse that is. So we've got red ones and brown ones, and it's my understanding, so you might want to correct us, it's just what they're made out of. It's not a difference in performance. Sander's got a Velcro base here. You literally line the holes up like that-ish, and that's it. What we like to do with our videos is out of the box and then just show it on the job. Doing so, we've got a bit of filler to sand there. Plug it in. You should be wearing a mask and goggles. Yeah. Okay. So if I turn it on, we'll see how quiet it is or not. So that's your I've just got it on quite low at the moment. I'm just going to sand this here to see how effective this is. Keep it on low so you can hear me. I'm honest, that certainly is making light work of it. Easy to use. If we just have another look at this here, there, you see it's done a very good job considering it was like that. So if we just do that bit now, just to show it again. Yeah, it's easy to use, works well, variable speed's quite accurate, it's not ripping anything apart. It's ideal for wood, there's a little bit of wood here. Again, I'm just going to leave it on the lowest one there. Yeah, turn it on. Yeah, it's nice and smooth, yeah. So, yeah, collecting most of the dust, probably do with the vacuum on it because I'm dealing with filler. Yeah, 10 out of 10 for it. Quality, it's not too heavy. Nice long lead, which is really important, especially if you're moving up downstairs. And we're going to do ceiling in a minute.
Dewalt,
like
we have noticed that Dewalt tools do have quite long leads on them.
Yeah, it's beneficial. I mean, I'll only do ceiling in a minute, so if you think, I mean, it might be a simple practical thing, but at least a standard plug socket, you can get to an average ceiling with it, which is quite good. And if you are doing a ceiling or something, it's not too heavy. That's the other thing you've got to bear in mind. So yeah, overall good quality product. Like I say, just remember about if you're buying a European model, it will come with a European 2-pin plug on, which we've shown you. And you need to have a plug at hand to swap it over.
You can get an adapter as well, can't you?
Yeah, the only thing, we have bought other products with adapters in the box, and I did expect to see an adapter in there, if I'm honest, but that's life. So I hope the video helps somebody. Thanks very much for watching.